Hi class, welcome to Python chapter 3 approved solution. This is an approved solution to Python chapter 1, Python program 1. So hopefully everything here looks pretty straightforward. These are most of the concepts that I could recollect from chapter 3. There is a nested if statement here. Let me just talk about that for a second. So in Python, the if statement, it starts out with the reserved word if. This is a condition here. This condition right here, in between the parentheses, you don't need the parentheses here. I just put them in for clarity. This will evaluate to true or false. If this evaluates to true, then whatever is indented here with 4 spaces is going to be executed. If not, you can use an else statement. So the else statement gives you code that will be run if this condition is false. What else? Lots of good stuff in here. Input statement, get used to that. Get used to the print statement. Data types might be new to you. Remember that Python is a loosely typed language. So what you do is you declare and initialize. Declare is here, a variable, and initialize it. Actually, all variables in Python have to be initialized. You can't just type n1, for example. In this case, that would not work. Okay, so n1 assignment operator 4, this assigns the integer value 4 to n1. And then when you look at that, I guess we looked at it here, right, with type. You'll see when you run this that it will look like this, right? Class int. So it seems there are data types in Python. It's just that they are not explicitly declared when you declare the variable like happens in other languages. All right. I've also included ChatGPT. We'll be doing that as much as we can this semester. So here's the ChatGPT solution. Note that ChatGPT used the printf function. That is a little bit, I don't know if it's advanced, but may not be in chapter 3. So if you choose the print function and you type f here, it means you can use French braces, also called curly braces, to include a variable that is not of string type. Now, username, because this was generated from input, username, we don't have to use type. I will tell you this is going to be str. Actually, you can see it's str here. So we could have just used concatenation here, right? We could have just used concatenation with just, plus username. That would have worked as well. But I'm not going to edit ChatGPT solution. I'll just let you look at it and examine it. Here's a good example. Largest was a numeric data type. It's an int data type, so it can be displayed in line if you are using the printf function. All right. Anything else? The way to read this, if you see a done, that just means that there was a to-go here. The done matches the to-go. And if I have notes, I just say note. Note how spaces are used here. We concatenate strings with the plus operator. All right, short video on how to look at the approved solution. I'm going to end that now.